Why domain authority is more important than ever in the AI era. Hello everyone, welcome back to WebDescartes. If you think SEO is only about ranking on Google, then it's time to update your strategy. Today, AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, and Google's AI overviews are changing how people find information. In this video, I'll explain why domain authority and website trust have become more valuable than ever before. Let's understand this flowchart step by step. 1. The AI era. Let's start from the first box. Earlier, users searched on Google, opened multiple websites, and then found the answer. Today, millions of people directly ask AI, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, Google AI overviews. Instead of showing 10 blue links, AI generates a complete answer. Now the real question is, where does AI get this information from? That's where domain authority becomes important. 2. How AI chooses information. AI doesn't randomly copy content from any website. It looks for websites that are trustworthy, authoritative, or relevant, well-known in their niche. It checks hundreds of signals before deciding which websites deserve to be cited. Modern AI search systems increasingly rely on trust, expertise, and evidence, not just keywords. If your website has weak credibility, thin content, or looks spammy, AI is much less likely to reference it. So simply publishing hundreds of articles is no longer enough. 3. What AI trusts now? Let's look at the third box. These are the signals AI prefers. High domain authority. A trusted website naturally has a better chance of being referenced. Strong backlinks. When respected websites link to your content, they are effectively saying, "We trust this source." Topical relevance. Publishing consistently in one niche builds expertise. For example, if your website is about SEO, keep publishing high-quality SEO content instead of covering random topics. High-quality content. Original research, real experience, helpful tutorials, case studies. These matter much more than AI-generated filler articles. Brand reputation. If people mention your brand on YouTube, LinkedIn, Reddit, forums, blogs, or news websites, AI sees that your brand exists beyond your own website. All of these signals help AI decide whether your content deserves visibility. 4. High domain authority equals high AI visibility. Now this is probably the most important part of the entire flowchart. When your website builds authority, your content has a much better chance of appearing in AI overviews, AI summaries, AI recommendations, AI citations. This doesn't mean a high domain authority score alone guarantees AI visibility. Rather, authority, trust, expertise, and quality signals together improve the likelihood that AI systems will reference your content. Think of it this way. Google ranks websites. AI recommends trusted sources. If AI trusts your website, your visibility can increase across multiple AI platforms. 5. AI response equals growth. What happens when AI starts mentioning your website? Several benefits follow. First, your brand becomes more visible. Second, you receive referral traffic from AI-powered platforms. Third, people trust your brand more because AI is citing it as a reliable source. And finally, this trust often leads to higher conversions and long-term organic growth. In the AI era, being recommended is becoming just as valuable as being ranked. 6. Low domain authority? You lose visibility? Now let's look at the other side. If your website has low authority, poor quality backlinks, thin articles, or very little trust, then AI has fewer reasons to reference your content. That means fewer mentions, lower visibility, less traffic, slower brand growth. Remember, the internet now has billions of pages. AI must choose only a few sources. Its first priority is trust. The central idea. This cloud in the center explains everything. AI recommends websites it can trust, and trust is built over time, not overnight. Every useful article, every quality backlink, every genuine mention, every satisfied visitor, adds another layer of trust. That trust eventually becomes your authority. How to improve your domain authority? So what should you do? Create original, in-depth content. Don't just rewrite what everyone else has written. Add your own experience, publish research, share real examples, earn quality backlinks. One backlink from an authoritative website is often more valuable than dozens of low-quality links. Build topical authority. Become known for one niche. If you're an SEO expert, become the website people associate with SEO. Get brand mentions, appear on YouTube, guest post, get featured in news websites, participate in communities. The more trusted places mention your brand, the stronger your authority becomes. Stay consistent. Authority isn't built in a week. It's built through months and years of consistently publishing useful content. Final takeaway. So here's the biggest lesson from today's video. In the AI era, you're not just competing for Google's first page. You're competing to become the source that AI trusts enough to recommend. That means your goal should no longer be just higher rankings. Your goal should be building authority, expertise, and trust. When you achieve that, Google benefits, AI benefits, and most importantly, your website benefits. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to WebDeskArt, and share it with anyone who wants to prepare their website for the future of AI-powered search. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.